Hello, everyone. Welcome to today's episode. Today is Friday and marks the last trading day of the week. So, before we go to the chart, let's first check fundamentals. And looking at today, we have only two news like Euro news and Canadian news. No other news. Wow, that's crazy. All right, so we have no news on the USD today. Today being 9th February, we have no news. All right, so normal market movement. Okay, normal market movement. Okay, so now let's look at gold, and first of all, daily time frame. And if you look at gold on daily time frame, yesterday, I'm sure all of you guys saw what actually happened to gold on yesterday, where um it it went crazy all the way from 20 uh, okay. All right. So looking at gold yesterday, we also gold hitting 2038 and dropped all the way to 2020 and pushed up and closed at 2034. All right. That was gold's movement yesterday. And you can see that 3 days ago, candle closed doji or pin bar. And yesterday's candle also closed pin bar. All right. Both are bearish. So what can happen today? If you look at today, um, looking at how the candles have been closing, there is still potential for the market to push lower. Okay. There is a possibility for the market to push lower. If it wants to fly, then there is a candle should close above 2035 or 2036. All right, 2036. So if H4 candle closes above 2036, then it will tell us that gold wants to go all the way up to 2054 again. All right, or at least 2044. Until then, gold may drop again. Okay, so daily time frame, we have two scenarios today. Looking at these two doji candles or indecision candles, anything can happen. The market can push up, the market can push down. So H4, what is happening in H4? All right, so if you look at H4, you can see that yesterday, after gold testing this 2020 level, pushed all the way to 2033 and dropped. And this was the new candle which opened. Yeah. So looking at how gold is now on H4, gold H4 is trying to be bullish. It's bullish, not trying. Because if you look at how this candle closed, that strong um, bullish candle, and the next candle too closed bullish above the zone. Yesterday, during the live, I said that if this H4 candle closed below the zone, the breakout level at 2033.7, there is a potential for the market to sell again. But you can see that another H4 candle closed inside the zone above the line, meaning the market has potentials to fly. Okay, so today gold is actually funny. That's what I would say. Gold is kind of funny, and a lot of people are going to be trapped today. So my advice for you is to wait and trade what you see and not what you think. All right. Trade what you see and not what you think, because there will be so many traps today. Watch out. All right. So now we can put this level in a box. All right. We can put this level in a box and wait for a breakout. Okay. If it breaks to the upside, we will go into it. If it breaks to the downside, we'll go into it. By looking at H1, you can see that H1 has given us a strong morning evening star pattern, and this candle is a pullback candle, right? So if this candle closes bearish or halfway down to this previous bearish candle, then gold may continue on selling down. If you close above the opening price of the bearish candle, then that is filled engulfing. The market will keep flying. So until then, we still wait. Okay, we still wait for a breakout either to the downside or to the upside of this zone. Then we will see what is going to happen right there. So if you look at 30 minutes, you can see that 30 minutes gave engulfing, right? And now it has failed. 30 minutes has failed. So if H12 fails, then the market is heading up. Okay. So during lending session, we will see what exactly is going on gold. Then we can also see the decisions we are going to make. All right. Until then, we have no business with gold. We are going to sit down and wait. Okay. We are going to sit down and wait for gold to present good opportunities before we go into it and trade. All right. This is Pip Hunter here, and the Pip must pay. Make sure to manage your risk very well, because you have no idea of which trade hitting your TP levels and which trade hitting your stop loss. It is only risk management which can keep you active in the game for the long run. All right. So until then, I'll see you in another video. Have a nice day. Happy weekend in advance. Make sure you learn from your mistakes and don't repeat them again. This is how to grow as a Forex trader. All right. So, guys, I'll see you all and have a nice day.